How to fix Windows 10 activation error 0x803FA067. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Windows 10 activation error that you see right here. So to fix this, what you'll first have to do is open up your settings. After you open up the settings, on the left hand side right here, you should find an option called activation. So head over to the activation option and there you'll find an option called change activation key. Simply just open that up and type in your activation key. That's the first step right here. After doing that, what we'll do is we'll just open up our command prompt and type in these codes. Now I'll be sure to provide these codes in the description down below. So first open up your CMD, that is your command prompt, and type in these codes. So the first one is slmgr /upk. After you type that code in, just hit enter, and then the next code is simply IPK, and give a space and type in your activation code. After doing that, your problem should get fixed. Just restart your computer once and you're good to go. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you fix the activation error. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.